Hello, Sesame Sprout children. Welcome. This is Miss Irma, the teacher from Class C. Are you ready for another fun experiment, another science experiment? Last week, we did an experiment to find out which colors do we make or what new colors we make when we mix two or three colors together. Do you guys remember what colors do you mix to get green? Do you guys remember? Remember we mix blue and yellow to get the green color. Do you guys remember what color do we get when we mix the three primary colors together? When we mix the yellow, the blue, and the red together? You're right, guys. We make the black color. You guys had a challenge to make the color brown. Do you guys remember what colors do you use? Remember, science is about testing, and I test a lot of different colors to make brown. And the only way I got this brown, it was by mixing one primary color, the blue, with one secondary color, the orange. That's how I got this brown. Okay, so now boys and girls, ready for another fun experiment? This time we're gonna make an experiment called magic milk. Did you know milk can be magical? I knew milk, it was good for our teeth and our bones, but we also can make magic using milk. Okay, for this experiment, we're gonna use 1 cup of milk. We're gonna use our food coloring colors. We're gonna use 2 shallow plates. It could be round or it could be oval. We're gonna use dish soap. We need Q-tips, and we also need a bowl. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, boys and girls, we are going to add some milk to the bottom of the plate, just a little bit to cover the bottom. Okay, and then we're gonna test just with the dish soap, because something magical is gonna happen in the milk when we add dish soap. But I want to just test first what happened to the milk when we only add dish soap. Okay, so I'm gonna put this soap in the middle, and I'm gonna mix it. Did you guys see any magic? Is anything magical happening to the milk or in the milk? I don't see anything. I just see my soap all around the milk, but I don't see anything else. Well, probably something is happening in the milk, but we don't see it. What is going to help us see the magic in the milk is the food colors, okay? But we're going to use a new plate, a new milk to make this experiment. So now what we're going to do, we're going to empty this milk in the bowl, and we're going to change the plate because we want to have a clean plate. And now this time, boys and girls, we are going to do it together. So get your plate ready, your milk, and let's pour the milk into the plate together. Okay, so we have our milk in the plate. Now, remember what I said. The food colors are gonna help us see the magic in the milk. So we're gonna add, let's add 2 drops in the center of the milk of each color, okay? So we have the green. Now I'm gonna add my yellow, 2 drops. Do you see any magic? I see my colors over there. Okay, still there. I'm gonna add red in this side. And now we're gonna add blue in the other side. Okay, so now we have the 4 different colors, but I don't see any magic yet. Are you guys ready to see the magic? Now we are going to add the dish soap. Remember the first time we did it, we didn't see anything happening. The dish soap was in the milk, just moving around the milk, but it nothing happen. And now look what happened this time, boys and girls. Ready? Okay, do you have your Q-tip ready with the soap? Now put it in the center of the milk and watch what happens. Did you guys see what happened? Look at this beautiful explosion of colors. Look how the colors are moving around and they're pushing away from the center of the milk. Okay, if you want to see it again, just put the Q-tips where you want to see the colors moving around. If you guys are wondering, tell your parents why is this happening, okay? Tell your parents why do you think all these colors are moving around when we put the dish soap. When we put the colors by themselves, they didn't move. They stay in one place. But now look, they're moving around. They're making like a little waves of colors. And I'm going to add a little more of soap so I can see more over here. Okay. Look, when you put the soap, the colors move around. If you're wondering what happens, why is this happening? Why when we add the dish soap to the milk and the food colors, we can see that the colors just move around and they make like an explosion of colors. This is happening, boys and girls, because dish soap is used to remove fat and grease from plates or from any surface that has fat. And milk contains a lot of fat, and when we put the dish soap into the milk, it pushes away the colors to attract the fat, and then they bond together, and that's how we see this beautiful magic in the milk. So hope you guys have fun and you learn something new today. Remember, science is about experimenting, testing, observing. What did you observe today, boys and girls? Don't forget to send the pictures to your teachers of what you did and tell them what did you observe. Bye-bye, Sesame Sprout children. See you next time.